Alright guys, welcome back to NST update. This update is about my intraday status. This is something actually important, that's why I'm discussing this. So when you remember from the weekly market update, actually we are trading in this pattern in Nifty, remember, and we are actually expecting this market to tag this bottom within this week while maintaining that pattern. So since this was the only data we had on Friday, and that's why that was the analysis, but if you guys remember, we also had that if you have a breakout, don't just go blindly and trade it for the upside, and that's exactly what I did. It's not that I just say on the weekly update and went away. I actually show you what exactly my plans are and how I actually execute the trade. So when Monday actually happened, this actually happened with the breakout of this structure. See, we got the breakout, and now the only thing we need to do is to confirm this breakout as a real breakout, not as a false breakout, right? Remember, although there is no such thing as a false breakout, so how do we do that? We actually have to read the information what happened after the breakout. All right, so I did not trade it on Monday, I did not trade it on Tuesday because the pattern and the structure was not confirmed. I was waiting to confirm this pattern as a trend continuation pattern, and when that is actually got confirmed to me, I actually took a whole lot of this move today itself in an intraday basis. I did trade SBI and this, but this was the trade which actually gave me good profit just because of the patience. I did not go and buy here, I did not go and buy here. I waited for my setup, I waited for this pattern to be confirmed as a trend continuation pattern, because if you do not let the pattern confirm, you'll have a breakout and you'll go back to the structure. I've seen that, and I'm sure you have seen that too, right? So what Nifty is going to do, we'll discuss that in another video. Let me show you my position. So this is my position, guys. This is very much possible if you know what you are looking for in the market, and if you can read the market properly, you don't have to fight with the market with 8, 9 or 10, 20 trades intraday. I take the quality trade, and when I take it, I either get my stopped hit or I just let it go. And that's why we all are actually able to get this much kind of return on the capital. Alright guys, so this is how I ended my day. Let me refresh for you guys. So I'll see you with another update. This is Dave signing off. Thank you so much.